welcome to sanjeetacademy.com. So I'm the instructor, it's your boy Sanjeet Kumar Sahu, and here is my LinkedIn profile, and here is my website link www.sanjeetacademy.com. So let's get started. So we are going to talk about Tosca Test Suite Basic Level, Introduction to Tosca Test Suite. We are going to talk about today. So topics we are going to discuss in this section, that is section 1. It is what is Tosca Test Suite. Then we discuss advantages of Tosca Test Suite, then disadvantages of Tosca Test Suite. Then we will going to compare Tosca with other automation tools such as UFT, that is your QTP, and Selenium as well. Then we need to check how to download and install Tosca on your local machine. Then finally we need to check what is the process flow, that is how the Tosca operates, how it operates as an automation tool, commercial automation tool. That part also we're going to discuss in this section. So let's get started. What is Tosca Test Suite? It is a functional regression automation testing tool as like other automation tool. There's nothing much about this. Apart from the Tosca support following testing interface such as integrated test management. Integrated test management means support integration of Jira, HPLM as well. It support GUI. It support command line interface CLI in Tosca. There is a way we can run test execution can be done. That is headless mode. That is using command line prompt using Tosca TC shell method. It is called CLI, command line interface. Tosca also support API testing, that is application programming interface testing you can do using Tosca. Tosca support the entire test management, that is right from the requirement section, update to deeper reporting, all can be done in a one tool. That is a full package automation commercial tool. Hence it is a heavy though. It support automation as well as manual test execution for you. It supports load testing. It supports mobile, non-GUI, XML, DB, etc. testing also Tosca supports for you. Now let's discuss what are the advantages of Tosca Test Suite. First of all, it is a scriptless execution. Scriptless execution, that means when you're trying to automate anything, some other open source tool, commercial tool. Let's assume one commercial tool, that is your HP, UFT, and QTP. Sorry for that, but it's not HP. It is Micro Focus, the owner of HP and no owner. So in HP and QTP or UFT, you have to learn VB scripting to have a when you want to automate that application. Sorry, using UFT or QTP. But in Selenium, if you try to use Java with Selenium or Python with Selenium or JavaScript with Selenium, you need to have a coding knowledge on that specific code as well, because the internal logic of that Selenium will work depend on which language you choose, that is Java, Python, or JavaScript. But in Tosca, you don't need to code in any coding knowledge. You can start by using drag and drop mechanism, which you're going to learn in a coming lecture. So it is a very interesting topic. Then it's just drag and drop mechanism based. That is, what are the objects? Let's assume you got on a login page, you got login, username, password, and sign in button. So you can create an object from module section by scanning that login and username, password button. Then for the test case, you can drag from module and create in test cases. That is drag and drop mechanism. Then it is a complete test management tool. It is a complete test management tool. That means right from requirement section to issue reporting section and reporting section, issue section, you can done all can be done in a one test management tool. It is a model based approach. So now thinking, what is a model based approach, right? So basically, as per Tricentic's website, model based approach is automation empowers anyone from developer to the business expert to contribute to test automation. That is, if someone don't have a good knowledge in coding as well, they can perform they can make their hand dirty in their automation as well. So instead of programming a test automation framework, you can rapidly scan the application under test AUT or API. Then you can start automation, that is by a developer, a tester, or even the business expertise guys as well. Then it is support both GUI and non-GUI application. In Tosca, we don't need any specific, framework for it. Variety of technology supported by Tosca, that is in QTP admin, QTP EFT, if you remember, you got different add-ins. So by installing different add-ins, you can start working on that specific technology. But in Tosca, we have different engines. So by DB engine, SAP engine, you got Gupta engine, you got PeopleSoft, you got HTML, you got Excel engine, you got browser, different browser extension engine. So by using those engines, you can start working on different technology that are being supported by Tosca, but it's a quite long though. Then DevOps also can be performed using Tosca commercial tool. Finally, as I said, Tosca is a commercial tool, so it has a very good vendor support for you. So if you stuck anything, you can reach out to Tosca ICT support team. They'll give you a 100% solution. We have some one or two disadvantages for Tosca Tesu. The first one is heavy pricing. As I said, it is a commercial tool, fully packaged tool, so the pricing expecting very high. Then as it is a very full package tool, so the tool is quite heavy though. So these are the two disadvantages for Tosca test suite. Now let's discuss comparison Tosca with other automation tool, that is your UFT, QTP, and Selenium. If you see over here, this is my website logo and this is our instructor, so Sanjit Kumar Sahu. So if you see this is a Tosca, UFT, Selenium. So type Tosca is a vendor tool, as you can see. QTP also is vendor tool, that is commercial tool, but Selenium is a open source tool. Cost, as it is a vendor commercial tool, it has a cost. UFT has a cost, but as it's open source, it doesn't have any cost. It is free. Application type, Tosca support any application type, that is web, desktop, mobile, anything. UFT web and desktop only, but Selenium only work for web application only. Then automation type, it is a model based. As I said, you don't need to be good in coding to work on Tosca, so this is basically a model based approach. But in UFT, QTP, we have a VB scripting knowledge you must have, so there is a script based, that because it internal logic worked on VB scripting. But in Selenium, it's a code based, because you need to have something. If you perform Selenium using Java, then you have good knowledge in Java. If you perform Selenium using JavaScript, you have good knowledge in JS. If you perform Selenium using Python, then you must have good knowledge in Python scripting. As I said, scripting we don't need in Tosca. Yes, we need heavy scripting in UFT. Yes, multiple heavy scripting language you need from Selenium. API testing, there is a support for API testing in Tosca. In UFT also you can do API testing, but there is no chance you can do API testing in Selenium. Test data management, that is within the tool you got data driven testing approach. In Tosca there is, that is test data management. In UFT also there is, but in UFT Selenium there is no. You can perform exploratory testing in Tosca. In UFT, there is no chance for exploratory testing, same as for Selenium test cases. Dedicated support team, as it is a commercial tool, both Tosca and UFT, you have dedicated support team for both of them, but Selenium as open source tool, you don't have any dedicated support team. CI integration, that is CI/CD, Jenkins, job run. Tosca support any type of CI/CD, that is Jenkins, Bamboo, anything Tosca support, but sorry, as per UFT, QTP, and Selenium support, it doesn't support Bamboo. It only supports Jenkins. Then ALM Jira only support in Tosca and UFT. There is no chance for a Selenium to support for any test management tool. So this is all about comparison Tosca, UFT, and Selenium tool. That's all about this section. Thank you guys. Keep in touch with the website. Follow me on LinkedIn, and please don't forget to visit my website. In the next section, we are going to talk about how to install a Tosca on a local machine and what the process of Tosca in a general. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.